Let's put to bed some myths about estate plans. The first thing we hear all the time is it's way too costly, which is just not true. Actually, right now we're running a promotion where couples are 3,000 and individuals are 2,000. So it really is not too costly. Another common misconception is I don't have enough money to do an estate plan, which is totally untrue. If you have anything valued in excess of $100,000, it's a perfect time to do an estate plan. Most assets do not transfer upon your death if they're more than 100,000. If it's less than 100,000, you can get a small estate affidavit, but if it's over 100,000, you need an estate plan to do an orderly dissolution of your assets. Um, the other common misconception we get is, why do I care? I'm dead. I'll let my heirs deal with it. That's a very selfish perspective. And the reason is, if you have assets that are valued over 100,000 and you pass, your heirs are left with opening up a probate estate, paying an attorney $4,000 to $6,000, spending time and energy until they can get those assets out of probate. Um, a lot of people are concerned that they need help transferring their assets once an estate plan is created, and that's not true either. We actually, as an estate planning law firm, create a quitclaim deed to transfer your real estate into your newly created estate plan. Now, some of your other assets, yes, you will have to walk into a financial institution and transfer your accounts from your individual name into your estate plan. But for the most part, your real estate we will handle. And finally, a lot of people just think, oh, I don't need a will. This is much more than just a will. A will basically states what you want to do with your assets after your death. You still might need to open up a probate estate to effectuate that. With an estate plan, you get a living trust. So when your assets are properly put into the living trust, you have successor trustees who can do the orderly dissolution of that asset. In addition, you're going to get medical, healthcare, power of attorneys, and medical and powers of attorney for property, which can allow others to make decisions for you with regards to property and healthcare decisions. And then, of course, you're still going to get the will. So, a lot of the misconceptions about estate planning are simply false, and it really is a good use of your time and money to set up your estate plan. So, if God forbid something does happen to you, you do have a properly orderly dissolution of your assets.